Hi, my name is Zeus Kang. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Husby.com. In this video, Husby University presents what is a 1031 exchange or 1031 tax deferment. A 1031 exchange is in effect a tax deferral where an investor sells one or several relinquished properties for one or more like-kind replacement property and defers the tax liabilities of capital gains. This is a deferment, not a way to avoid paying taxes entirely. Keep in mind that this is only in investment properties, not your primary home. Tax deferrals of capital gains can be an incredible wealth creation tool for real estate investors seeking to move into a bigger, better, and more expensive property and asset class. Keep in mind that the properties you're selling and the properties you're buying must be like kind, which means they must be similar but not necessarily the same quality or grade. There are very specific exchange rules and requirements such as property type, deadlines for finding a replacement, and type of exchanges, so be sure to discuss these particulars with your exchange agent. You must work with a qualified intermediary, also known as an exchange facilitator, on a 1031 exchange. A qualified intermediary holds the funds in your escrow account for you until the exchange is complete. For a list of Husby approved exchange facilitators in your area, please visit www.husby.com.